everybody, it's Rye the Maintenance Guy with a quick tip to help you get through this COVID crisis. A lot of people are having issues with their tubs not draining properly, and that can get kind of a little nasty staying in some standing water. So, what you can do is at your local hardware store, you can pick up this. It's called a Zip-It. It's a white little tool, it's got teeth on it, and you just stick this down the drain and zip it out. Come on, I'll show you how it's done. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to remove the tub stop. So there's a little screw that you can take off the top of the tub stopper, which reveals another little pin that screws into the drain itself. And screw that counterclockwise, pull it out, and then you'll expose it. Normally you see a lot of hair in here, maybe some buildup. Sometimes it's just some soap scum that's in there. What you're going to do is you're going to take your Zip-It tool, which is this, and stick it in a little hole, and you're just going to work it down the drain. And that's going to grab all that hair in there, and then all you do is just pull it right out, and then this will have a bunch of hair on it or whatnot, and then your drain is clear. Put your drain back together, and you're good to go. And that's it. You've got your drain back together, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.